The benefits of using schemas in SQL Server databases. When dealing with SQL Server databases, schemas are often associated primarily with their role in enhancing security. However, the advantages of employing schemas extend far beyond just safeguarding your data. They also play a vital role in the organization, performance, and manageability of your databases. Understanding these benefits can lead to a more efficient and structured database environment. Let's dive into these benefits in detail. 1. Enhanced organization. One of the foremost advantages of using schemas in SQL Server is the improved organization they offer. Schemas allow you to group database objects such as tables, views, stored procedures, and functions under a single namespace. This is particularly beneficial in scenarios with large and complex databases, as it helps manage and locate objects more efficiently. By implementing schemas, you can segregate objects based on various criteria such as different modules of an application, development, test, and production environments, different business areas or departments. This logical grouping helps maintain a clean and organized structure which can simplify your database management tasks significantly. 2. Better performance. Although not as obvious, using schemas can have positive impacts on your database's performance. When SQL Server accesses database objects, the schema namespace is part of the resolution process. An organized naming structure minimizes the search space, which can, in turn, lead to slight performance improvements when accessing objects. 3. Simplified permissions management. While security is the most cited benefit, using schemas makes permissions management more granular and easier to implement. Permissions can be assigned at the schema level, allowing for more straightforward management of user access. For instance, if all objects related to a specific module are contained within a single schema, you can apply necessary permissions to the whole schema instead of individual objects. This approach reduces redundancy and potential for errors, thus enhancing both security and user management. 4. Versioning and deployment. Schemas also facilitate versioning and deployment processes. By using schemes to separate objects based on application versions or deployment scenarios, teams can implement more structured and simplified strategies for rolling out updates without impacting the entirety of the database. This stratification allows for safer and more efficient deployment of changes. 5. Modularity and reusability. When designing complex applications, schemas promote modularity. By compartmentalizing your database based on its modules, it becomes easier to reuse sections of your database across different projects or applications without conflicts. This modularity encourages best practices in database design. Conclusion. Employing schemas in SQL Server databases offers multiple benefits that go beyond just enhancing security. They bring significant value in terms of organization, performance, simplicity in managing permissions, ease of deployment, and ensuring modularity. By leveraging these capabilities, database administrators and developers can ensure a well-structured, agile, and manageable database infrastructure that can scale with the demands of modern applications. Whether you are expanding an existing database or designing a new one, consider the strategic use of schemas as a best practice in database design. They provide a framework that transforms a potentially convoluted database system into a logically separated, organized, and efficient powerhouse.